Hello, and welcome to the Future FX. We will understand how to log in and use IB Back Office Dashboard.
Go to our website, futurefx.com. Click on the IB Login button, at top right of the home page. Once you click on this link, you will be directed to the login page. Input your registered email address, followed by the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Input your email address and click on Reset Password button. You will be receiving the password reset link on your email. Reset your password and log in with a new password. Once you are on the client dashboard, you may change your password regularly. Under the Trading Accounts menu, you will be able to see all accounts opened under your IB. Under Trading Account Info, you will be able to see all open positions, active orders, cancelled orders, closed trades and ledgers by clicking on the particular account. You will be able to see your balance as well as wallet operations detail. You will be able to open demo and real accounts under Open Account tab. Under All Requests tab, you will be able to see all requests made and details in the remark. All account log activity can be tracked under Account Log section. Click on IB menu. You can see the account summary under the Summary sub-menu. In a Tracking Links menu, you can generate demo, real, and IB links. You will be using those links to open accounts under your IB. You can track your own client accounts, and your sub-IB's client's account under Client List menu. From My Profile section, you can edit your personal and contact information. You can upload your documents on My Document page. Any pending withdrawals can be tracked on Pending Withdrawals page. Payment history can be tracked under the Payment History section. Thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye and happy trading. Future FX. Futuristic way of trading.